These are the notes for 7.2. In 7.2, you're introduced to some vocabulary around polygons and circles. So we'll go through about 10 of them. Equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles is a triangle with all sides of equal length. And we denote that by using these tick marks. They mean congruent, the same length. A polygon is a closed geometric figure with 3 or more sides. So by closed, we mean we can color it in. So we can color in this shape. We can color in this shape. And even though this shape has a sort of a concave, a caved in piece, we can still color in this shape. Now we have some special kinds of polygons. These are called regular polygons. Regular polygons is a polygon where all the sides are equal length and all the angles are equal measure. And we denote that by saying, hey, look, those are all equal length. These are all equal measure. These are all equal length. These are all equal measure. These are all equal length. These are all equal measure. And then for the first two, for the 3-sided figure that's regular, we call that an equilateral triangle. And for the 4-sided figure, we call that a square. Now, for regular polygons past the 4-sided, we don't have special names as in for the triangle and the quadrilateral. Our next definition is inscribed in a circle. So inscribed inside a circle. So we have a 4-sided figure, a quadrilateral, inside the circle. We have a triangle inside the circle, inscribed. I remember it by that whole inside. Which means that the other one, the circumscribed, they have the same second part of the word, scribed, means the other way around, where the circle is on the inside. So circumscribed, I have a circle, and then I have my polygon on the outside of it. One of a special figure that you will have used in previous sections and in this section is a regular hexagon. And the reason why we define this separately is because it's a very useful shape, and it is a shape that we can construct. So remember, that means compass and straight edge. Hexagon is 6-sided, and then the regular is all the same lengths. And all the same angle measures. Part of what you are doing in the next section will be in the homework and in this section is to decompose. Decompose means to separate a whole thing into smaller parts. So for example, we can decompose a regular hexagon into a bunch of equilateral triangles. 2 more definitions having to do with circles. One is a chord. A chord is a segment where the endpoints lie on the circle. They can be off to this chord can be off to the side, it can be through the center, but it is any line that has its endpoints on the circle. A radii, or radius or radii in plural, is the distance from the center to a point on the circle. And radii can be drawn anywhere. They can be drawn from the center to here, center to here, center to here, and there are therefore infinite radii. We can draw radii for the rest of our lives if we so desire.